Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make chocolate crepes. A fantastic twist on the traditional French dessert. In a bowl you want to whisk together 2 eggs, 45 grams of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now pour in 300 milliliters of milk. Whisk that all together and then add the dry ingredients. You want 70 grams of cake flour and 10 grams of cocoa powder. Keep mixing till it's all blended. Now pour in 30 milliliters of melted salted butter. Pour that mixture through a sieve into a new bowl. That will catch any little pieces. Cover that with cling wrap and refrigerate for 1 hour. Then pour some of the mixture onto a crepe pan to cover the bottom and cook. Once it's ready, you can tip it out onto a plate. Next, pour 200 milliliters of whipped cream into a bowl and give it a whisk. We want it to thicken slightly. Now pour in 100 grams of icing sugar and whisk again. Finally, add 50 grams of crushed Oreo. Just fold that in with a spatula. Perfect. Now slightly overlap 2 chocolate crepes and add on your whipped cream Oreo mixture. Spreading it out. We want a thin layer to cover the entire surface. Then roll. Keep going till you're almost at the end. Then stick on another chocolate crepe and add more cream. Keep going like this until it's the desired size. So you get a kind of Swiss roll effect, but with pancakes. Next, get a waxed sheet and place your pancake roll in the middle, wrapping it up tightly, closing up the ends, and refrigerate that for 1 hour. Once it's ready, you can take it out, place it on a chopping board and pipe on whipped cream Oreo. And some crushed Oreo, of course. Then just slice it up. Stick on some strawberry slices and a few sprigs of mint. This makes a brilliant presentation, green and red with the brown of the chocolate and the white of the cream. Absolutely fantastic, just look at that. So, dig in and enjoy.